Welcome to Kids Quiz Quest. Can you guess the feeling from the clues? Every emotion matters. You'll have 22 questions and 5 seconds each. Have fun. Starts with C. A superhero is usually this: a firefighter running into a burning building. Courageous superhero vibes. It starts with G. A person who gets a nice gift feels this. You say thank you when feeling this. Grateful. Always say thank you. It starts with L. Being by yourself too much can lead to this. The opposite of being included. Lonely. Anyone need a hug? It starts with N. Before speaking on stage, you feel this. Stage fright means you are this. Nervous. Take a deep breath. It starts with F. You might feel this when stuck on a hard problem. The opposite of calm. Frustrated. We have all been there. It starts with M. A rainy day can make you feel this. A word for deep sadness. Miserable. Sometimes rainy days feel like this. It starts with G. The opposite of rough. Being careful with fragile things. Gentle. Soft as a teddy bear. It starts with A. A big test might make you feel this. Butterflies in your stomach. Anxious. Have you had butterflies in your stomach? It starts with R. A deep breath can help you feel this. The opposite of stressed. Relieved. Phew, what a relief. It starts with C. A peaceful and calm feeling. You don't need more to be happy. Content. Simple joys are the best. It starts with D. A student working hard for success, never giving up on a goal. Determined. Never give up. It starts with E. Seeing your favorite band perform. Christmas morning can make you feel this. Excited. Too excited to sit still. It starts with R. You feel this if treated unfairly. You feel this when someone takes credit for your work. Resentful. Uh-oh, someone's holding a grudge. It starts with O. Looking forward to something great. A glass half-full attitude. Optimistic. Keep believing in the good. It starts with P. You might feel this after scoring a goal. A graduation day feeling. Proud. Way to go, champ. It starts with H. Thinking the future will be good. A word for having good expectations. Hopeful. Hope keeps us going. It starts with C. A person who smiles all the time. The opposite of sad. Cheerful, smiling all day. It starts with F. A volcano exploding with anger. Another word for enraged. Furious. Whoa, someone's fuming. It starts with A. You feel this after making a mistake. A red face means you feel this. Oof, that's embarrassing. It starts with D. You feel this if your favorite team loses. Not getting what you hoped for. Disappointed. It happens. Stay strong. It starts with G. The opposite of cheerful. Feeling low and moody. Gloomy. Cue the sad violin. It starts with S. Caring when a friend is sad. Understanding and caring about someone's problems. Sympathetic. Such a kind heart. Great job. Keep learning and don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes. See you next time.